how does it feel winning, being a grand champion and representing Singapore? Come on, how does it feel? One word.
Great. It's a dream come true.
It's a dream come true. Yes. How about you?
So dope.
So dope. How about you?
Awesome.
Awesome.
Unbelievable.
Unbelievable. And you?
Proud to be Singaporean.
Proud to be Singaporean and proud to represent Singapore. Yeah. Next question. How does it feel dancing in Crocs shoes? Come on.
Feels
Feels good to dance in Crocs shoes. How does it feel?
Feels good, so
So feels good, so light. Yes. How about you? Good.
not better.
Much better than good.
Light on my feet.
So light on his feet. Yes. Light on your feet. Right. Once again, let's show us your Crocs shoes. Come on. Yeah. These are the shoes you dance in and brought you the fame and champion, and you will be representing Singapore. Anything else that you want to say? Anything that you want to say to your parents? Are you happy? Who do you want to thank? Thank your parents and friends. How about you?
That is all. Thank my parents and friends.
Alright, parents and friends, supporters. How about you? Alright, all the supporters, parents and friends. How about you?
Friends, and our crew.
Yeah, your crew. Anybody else? Alright, well done. So, you got plans? How do you feel? What do you think? You guys gonna make us proud? You guys gonna do us proud in US and do us really good? How? What do you think? Who? Anybody?
We try our best. We do everyone proud and make our instructors proud and everything. We are very proud of our family. Thank you.
Right, so make everybody proud. Once again, your grand champion representing Singapore, Precious None! Woo! Thank you guys, congratulations, thank you. Stick around, we need to give you some stuff to fill up. Thank you, thank you.